There is a time for everything, and a season for every activity under the heavens. Today I step into my God-ordained season,
my season,
knowing that the vision awaits an appointed time. Though it linger, I will wait for it.
I will wait.
It will certainly come and will not delay. I declare that you, O Lord, will arise.
Arise, Lord,
And have mercy on Zion, for the time to favor her, the appointed time
has come.
And when the time is ready,
Your time,
you, the Lord, will make it happen. Like Esther,
for such a time as this.